Hi, I'm Rose, and today we're going to be making some fruit nachos.
For your ingredients, you're going to need your favorite fruit. Today I'm using red apples, pears, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, some peanut butter, and some dark chocolate sauce. First, for your apples and your pears, you want to make sure you remove the core. And I bought this little tool quite a while back through Amazon. It makes it super easy. Now we're going to work on cutting our apple, pear, and strawberry slices. Okay, on a plate, I'm going to start adding my apples and pears in a circle, alternating them, apple, pear, and if you like, you can add a little bit of lemon to prevent them from browning so quick. Now I'm going to add my strawberry slices in the center all the way around. We'll continue with our blackberries and raspberries in the center. We have to have some blueberries. Let's add these all around. Now we're going to add the rest of our berries. We're adding our blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries. I'm going to be using some peanut butter, which is a little more healthier, and I'm going to take about 1 to 2 tablespoons of creamy Skippy peanut butter, and we're going to be melting this in the microwave. We want to melt for 40 seconds, making it a sauce. Let's give it a quick mix. Now we want to take our peanut butter. I'm going to give it a quick mix, and then we're going to drizzle 1 tablespoon on top if you want to keep it really healthy. Or you can also do 2 tablespoons, whichever you prefer. Next, I'm going to go ahead and drizzle some dark chocolate on top. Now, dark chocolate is actually more healthier, so we're going to be using dark chocolate today. If you like, you can also sprinkle a few nuts on top. Today, I'm using some slivered almonds, and these are a great source of protein. I think I'm going to add some chocolate chips on top, and again I'm using dark chocolate chips. And here you have it, some delicious fruit nachos you and your family can enjoy, an alternative to a healthier snack.